What's up, everybody? My name's George. Today we're going to be kicking off October, and we're going to be trying to get things stirred up for Halloween. I'm going to try to get to the pumpkin patch today and pick up some pumpkins and try to grab some mums, some flowers for Halloween. Kind of new to YouTube, doing the YouTube thing, so we're going to try to figure that out also as we go along here. But if you like Halloween, if you like that kind of thing, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you stick around and see what else we get into for Halloween. So yeah, just gonna get going, and we're gonna kind of be in and out throughout the day and see what kind of video we come up with. I'm doing this on the fly, so let's get going. Hello, little goats. Hello. 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 Hello, little pigs. Hello. Hello, little pigs. Okay, so we made it to the pumpkin farm. I'm going to say the pumpkin patch, but it is the pumpkin farm. And we got some pumpkins, and now we're going to go in here and get some mums. You can probably see them there in the background. So this place, to me, has the best mums. The best mums, the most colorful mums. We're going to go in here and see what they have. But yeah, I can't wait to see what they have, and we're going to get some, and then we're probably going to grab a coffee and go home. So yeah, let's go see what they have. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to say goodbye for now, but I'll be back soon with more Halloween content and more spooky videos and everything else. So please stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.